Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this 3 foot by 5 foot flag that I received. It represents the 250th anniversary. As you can see, the 250 right there with the stars around it of the United States of America. It is embroidered in, so it's not a sticker or anything. You could see on the sides that the stitching is very well done and durable. It is weatherproof, so it's good for every weather. It's not going to tear up. And the fabric that they used is nylon, which is really nice. And on the other side, there's 2 brass holes where you could hang up your flag in your porch, your patio, wherever you want. And I'm going to show you how it looks like hanged up in front of my garage on the flagpoles. Here you can see that I hung the flag up in front of my garage on the flagpole. You can see the patriotic flag, 250. It's very visible. On the other side, you could see the flag that I had from last 4th of July. It's not as good material and it's already ripping because of the weather. I would recommend this to any American patriot that wants to fly the flag for the 250th birthday of the United States of America.